your passport?
It's past 10 a.m. I think it's very early to check in, but who knows, they might give me an early check-in. Who knows? So, merong 1 million dong deposit. So, you can use cash or credit card. So, iniwan muna natin yung luggage natin kasi 2 p.m. pa naman yung check-in time. So, hindi tayo naka-request ng early check-in. That's fine. Mga ka-fab, hanap muna tayo ng mga tatambayan na coffee shop here near at my hotel. Here at, ano siya tawag? Kaya na naman tayo. Nakakalimutan ko na naman, Bay Hotel in Ho Chi Minh. Ayan, so sige. Tara, lakad tayo. Hanap tayo ng coffee shop. Just to kill time since 2 p.m. pa naman yung check-in time natin. Ay, marami namang mga, ayan na oh, Cafe Chong, oh, medyo mga maganda rin dyan, oh. Ayan, or there, ayan, mga maganda rin siya. Justine. So marami mga katabing mga coffee shop dito sa area ng place ng hotel na to. Passion, very common yan. And of course, mga new ones that I wanna try. Ayan, tara. Sige, pasok muna tayo mga ka-fab. Kung meron din yan, no? Nature, di ba? Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you. Work muna mga ka-fab ha, sabay tambay. Kasi mamaya pa naman 2 p.m. But anyway, hindi pa tayo nakapag-intro. Welcome back to my channel mga ka-fab. You are Jilsonified. This is going to be another hotel staycation diary vlog episode wherein I'm going to document my stay here at Bay Hotel, Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. Yes, we're back in Vietnam. Nako, tara na, umpisahan na natin yung staycation pero hindi pa official kasi mamaya pa tayo mag-check-in. So for now, tambay-tambay muna dito. What I've noticed is, hala, ang dami pala mga coffee shops nearby. So that's a big plus. The last time I visited Ho Chi Minh, nagstay ako. I'm sure na-check nyo rin yan sa mga one of my vlogs. Hotel Sora. Check nyo yun. Medyo malapit itong hotel na to. So, within the area lang ako. Pinipili ko tong area na to because of accessibility. There's a lot of things going on. At the same time, alive yung nightlife and a lot of street food. Well, Ho Chi Minh naman talaga maraming free food. But this area is like safe. I love it. It has a different view. And ituturo ko kayo. And for now, kato, sa one of their coffee shops. Na as always, kapag Vietnam coffee shop, free only internet wifi. Ang galing, no? We're back after almost several hours na work muna tayo. Bumalik tayo sa hotel kasi almost magto 2 p.m. na siya. And we're gonna claim our luggage. There you go. Inom muna tayo ng water. Ang ganda kasi merong weighing scale. Okay, we're all set. So we are room 304. Here it is, room 304. Isa lang yung room key talaga. Okay. Mamaya, gawa na natin ng eksena yan. Alright. Officially, we're starting our stay here at Bay Hotel, Ho Chi Minh. And there is light. So, tara na, umpisahan na natin yung staycation. Well, actually, it's not really a full staycation. It's more of a work staycation. Let's do the room tour. Of course, ito na yung toilet and bath. Oops! I think meron namang bidet kasi i-on mo lang yan, may nagsispray dyan sa puwet mo. My blower, my hair dryer, of course my hand wash, and isara mo to kasi hindi mo mabubuksan yan. Pag inopen mo yan, oops, and merong mga toiletries, shampoo, shower gel, what else? Dito mo ilalagay yung mga may hanger, of course, bathrobe, and safety deposit box, and there's this small fridge. Naka-on na siya. Hindi ko alam kung naka-on na siya. Okay, there you go. And nice. I love it. And I chose one big bed. And there's TV. Ano pa? Of course, importante sa akin talaga to. May saksakan sa gilid ng bed. Yan. And then, of course, my office table and chair so you can do your work. My phone. And sabi naman niya may window ka pero wala kang view. Pader ang view mo, but that's fine. Hindi naman ako magsistay dito eh. So ito yung room na nakuha natin here at Bay Hotel, Ho Chi Minh in Vietnam. Okay. Now let's turn on the TV. Oops, hindi siya smart TV. Oh, tingnan natin na, we'll see. Ayan. Oops, may YouTube. Smart TV nga siya. Ayan siya. Welcome to Bay Hotel, Ho Chi Minh. Yan. Ayan. Yes, legit nga siya. Smart TV po siya. May YouTube kasi po ako eh. There you go. Okay. Very nice. So, gagawin muna natin ngayon. Magpapahinga muna tayo. Still a little bit hot outside. So, gonna take some rest. Get some rest kasi we had an early flight kanina. 6:45 yun. So, as always, we arrive at the airport 4 to 5 hours early. Just to make sure you are in control of everything. Kasi diba, pipila ka pa sa immigration and other things. So, mabuti na yung mas maaga ka. Okay? Alright, so, keep on watching mga ka-fab and let's tour the hotel and its amenities. We're gonna experience that together and of course, na-include din dito sa package na to is yung breakfast service nila. So, we're gonna see that tomorrow. Okay, see you later! Nakatulog tayo mga ka-fab. Pag-ising natin, mag-aalas 10 na. Kaya ang ending, gutom na gutom tayo. But that's okay, at least hindi na tayo puyat na puyat. Kaya yung first, ganap natin dito, i-video natin yan. Let's go! Let's go, let's go! Lapit lang tayo sa elevator. We're just on the 3rd floor. Sana may bukas pa ng mga kainan or at least street food man lang that accepts credit card to ensure my receipt kasi pinapa-reimburse natin yung mga expenses natin dito that is related to our job in marketing and recruitment. Alright, let's go out. Okay, lakad-lakad pa tayo and from there hanapin natin yung area kung saan maraming mga kainan. We're here now on the busy streets.
The following day.
Done for the day mga ka-fab. So ang gawin natin ngayon is to visit the nearest shopping center here in this area, which of course alam niyo naman niyo, diba, I love to stay here in this area. Mga dalawang hotels na ang pinagstayan natin. And now we're here at, of course, at Bay Hotel, Ho Chi Minh. So before pa tayo mag-check out in a day or two, in the next 2 days, explore na natin tong hotel na to para hindi mag-pile up yung mga deliverables ko sa inyo, yung at least I can show something more sa hotel dito. Okay, let's go. Puntahan natin yung the opposite, the end corner of this floor, 2nd floor. Tignan natin kung anong view dito. Okay, so yung front street. Yan siya. Okay. At yan yung road. Okay, ayan pala siya. Puntahan na natin yung rooftop. Top, letter R. Close. 17th floor, open sesame. So ito pala yung propeller bar. This is the pool area. Love it. Oh, nice. Ganda. Look at that. It's giving. Sarap malito. Oh my God, look at that. Nakakalula. This is the view on the 17th floor. Look at that. Nice. Wala. And this is the rooftop bar. Look at that. Propeller bar. Try natin ito mamaya, ha? Ayan pa. There you go. Look at the view. Medyo magandang view dito kasi you get this kind of scenery as compared to my previous hotel. Kaya iba ang atake dito. Ang ganda, no? So there's the pool and there's this rooftop resto. Ngayon naman, let's go down and check their gym area. Let's go. Hanapin natin yung gym area na yan. Oops. Yan na siya. Nakalimutan ko. So ito na yung gym area nila. Tignan natin. So yan lang. So may treadmill. And bike. And some lifts. There. That's the gym area.
Much later.
Surprise mga ka-fab! We've decided to have dinner here at 7th floor Propeller Bar dito sa hotel sa hotel na sinistayan natin. Look at the view. Thank you. Nice.
May I open this one?
Yes. This is ginger ale. Nice.
Enjoy your night.
Thank you. I'm all alone with this beautiful view. Ganda tong building na to. Tingnan niyo. Tara! Yan. Nakakalula. There you go, 7th floor. Here at Bay Hotel, Ho Chi Minh. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. I made the right decision. Kasi in a few days time, I think ito yung last night na natin tomorrow. And we have dinner appointment with a friend here in Ho Chi Minh. So ngayon lang talaga yung time namin na makapag-dinner here sa rooftop ng hotel na to. I think ang location ng hotel nito may maganda siyang pwesto because wala obstruction, so you can see there the lights, the cars, and the Mekong River. Here this is. Very cute. Thank you. Diba? Pang mayaman talaga siya, pang fine dining. Malalaman mo kasi yan sa dami ng food na isi-serve. So very petite, very cute. Pang mayaman lang siya talaga. Yan. That's the definition for me ng fine dining. Small serving, pero masarap ang quality. Ang lasa. Let's eat mga ka-fab. Kain po. Let's eat mga ka-fab.
The next day.
Good morning mga ka-fab. Tara na, let's go down and check their breakfast buffet options here at Bay Hotel, Ho Chi Minh. Walang tao, dire-diretso na lang tayo pumasok. So anyway, here are the options. Of course, merong salad. There. So merong assorted cold cuts. Ganda. May yogurt sila. Look at that. And different fruits here. So merong guava, watermelon. I'm not sure what's that. May orange. May dragon fruit. Yeah. Okay. So let's go here. So meron silang parang bread oven. Breads. Oops. There. Pastry. Yan yung kadaming option niya in fairness May cheese. Cereals. Waffles. Yeah, so there are vegetarian section. Look at that, it's just this baked beans. Okay. There's a seafood rice. Sarap, no? Ganun talaga pag Vietnam. Oh, my crispy fish for today. Stir-fried vegetable. Ito naman, stir-fried chicken. And meron grilled pork. Yeah, nice. And there's braised beef, green pepper, and braised chicken. And of course, as always, present bacon, chicken sausage, boiled egg. So ito yung section nila where they prepare the food. Nice. And ito yung pho area nila. Just mix and match. Merong plain porridge. Nice. Ito, kinain ko to kahapon. Okay, pho. And sauces. Sauces and the broth. Love it. And so this is the egg station nila. So you want it sun side up. Easy turnover. Omelette, a lot more. Okay. Omelette, please. Yes, all there. Thank you. Ito yung salad area nila. Ayan, wait lang. Hindi natin naipakita eh. Look at that. The choices. Ay, gusto ko to spring rolls. Sauce and dressing. There. And of course, ito yung drink area nila. So, merong different juices, water. Of course, merong coffee, hot water, brewed coffee. Ayan. Of course, this is the bar area. Diba? So far, so good, Ang hirap mag-diet, guys. Pero kung breakfast naman, okay lang naman. So, ito na yung my choices. Ito na yung mga kakainin ko. Kain tayo, breakfast tayo, mga ka-fab. Bon appetit!
The following day.
We're ready to check out, mga ka-fab. Here at Bay Hotel, Ho Chi Minh City. Kung tatanungin niyo ako if I'll come back. Yes. Staying here for a couple of days, I've noticed that they changed their menu in their breakfast options. At ang daming options sa breakfast nila. That's one thing. And, top bar nila, you're gonna try that. Popular bar. Yung internet connection naman, okay naman, Vietnam to. So, if you have Zoom meetings, you're in a business trip, it will not hinder your productivity. And the same time, what I love is the location. medyo malayo ko sa BC area, sa BC Street of Letanton. But the good thing here is, ang ganda ng view mo, medyo yung nasa edge kasi yung hotel na to, kaya you get the view of the Mekong River and tall buildings na walang obstruction, especially if you go up stairs sa propeller bar nila. So, mag-check out na tayo mga ka-fab. Again, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed our staycation here together at Bay Hotel. And of course, we need to catch up an early flight. No, not an early flight. Later in the afternoon from Ho Chi Minh to Hanoi. And for now, I'll check out from this hotel, Bay Hotel, to attend an event. So hope you enjoyed your watching. Take care mga fab, and see you in my next hotel staycation adventure. Of course, we always say this. Bye room. Remove the card key, and don't forget the 1,000 Viet. No, that's a 1 million dong deposit. Forgot the closing spiel, and of course, as always, don't forget to embrace life beautifully and fabulously. They have weighing scale, so for now, okay, still safe. I can still put more 3 kilos. Hello, I'm checking out. And this is my authorization. Okay. All good? Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Ra, for the noodles. Thank you, Bay Hotel.